The Mandated Reporter, Junior. Welcome.
Hey there, little learners. I'm Norbert. This week's Bible verse is taken from the book of 1 Corinthians, chapter 1, verses 4 through 5. The scripture says, "I thank my God always on your behalf for the grace of God which is given you by Jesus Christ, that in everything ye are enriched by him, in all utterance and in all knowledge." Remember to ask Yah for the wisdom, knowledge, and understanding that you need of him. His wisdom is far superior to our human brains. Come back next week for the Mandated Reporter Junior's Genesis Bible Trivia episode. See you next week.